Hi guys, welcome back. Yeah, a new video from Carl and Jan. We will be looking at the present continuous again. I say again because maybe some of you out there have already watched the first tutorial on the present continuous for beginners. This is the second video concerning the present continuous for you guys out there who are a little bit more advanced. The present continuous, yeah, the present continuous is am is are plus ing. This is the continuous. You can take any verb, put on the ing, you have the continuous form. Examples: I am or I'm driving, I'm instructing, I'm speaking, I'm looking at the camera. Or he, she, it is, okay, he's, she's, it's working. Example, she is working for a very big OEM. He is working for a mining company. Something along those lines. Or we have we, you, they, are. Okay, so we are, or you are, or they are doing something. Working, eating, jumping, playing. My team, my football team is playing in the Premier League, for example. Okay, what's your football team? Do you even like football? Okay, so what does this tell us? Present continuous, I am doing something, which means I'm in the middle of doing it. Okay, I've started doing it and I haven't finished yet, which means I started somewhere in the past, 5 minutes ago, 5 years ago, 5 million years ago, it doesn't matter, as long as whatever it is that is happening has not finished yet, which means it started in the past. 5 minutes ago I started filming, or I started filming this tutorial 5 minutes ago. I'm still in the middle of doing it. The end is open. Yeah, I know, everybody out there going, yeah, God, come on, get over it, get on with it, man. Oh, boring. Okay, so started in the past, in the middle, end is open. Examples for this. Flipping the chart. Examples. I would love to work in Canada, so I am learning English. Okay, or I would love to work in Spain, so I am learning Spanish. Or I would love to work for a big production company, so I am studying engineering, or I am studying financing. Another example, friends of mine are building a new house. Construction is ongoing, which tells us they started building the house in the past. They are in the middle somewhere, house is not finished yet, but it's ongoing. Or, John called me last week from New York. He said the negotiations were going well, which means we now know that John is in New York and he is talking to business partners, okay, possible partners or banks or whatever, and they are negotiating the terms of the contract, okay, negotiating the terms of the deal. Okay, and it's going well, which is good if you're negotiating. We also use the continuous when talking about change, so things that are happening now. Okay, examples for this could be get, change, become, increase, rise, fall, begin, improve, grow, start. Example, the costs for energy are rising. Which is true. Just a point, guys, when you use words like rise or increase or improve that end with an E, and you use the ing, okay, so you turn the verb into the ing form, you drop the E, okay? So becoming, E, gone. Increasing, E, gone. Rising, E, gone. Improving, E, gone. Okay? We can go into writing at a later date, guys. For now, that was it on the present continuous. I hope you found this informative, interesting as grammar can be. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Give us a thumbs up. Yeah, or even better, subscribe. Yeah, and I would say, and till the next time we see each other, thank you for tuning in. Take care, people. Look after yourselves, be safe, and yeah, see you then. Bye for now.